Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more matches as Roadhog in Overwatch. Master hook accuracy. Practice landing hooks consistently to secure picks and disrupt enemy formations. Focus squishy targets. Prioritize hooking and eliminating supports and DPS heroes to weaken the enemy team. Use whole hog strategically. Save whole hog for key moments like pushing enemies off objectives or disrupting ultimates. Coordinate with team. Communicate your hooks and ultimate usage with your team for coordinated pushes and defenses. Peel for supports. Protect your supports by hooking and eliminating diving enemies threatening them. Manage breather well. Use take a breather to heal up between engagement and stall for time when necessary. Engage with tanks. Work closely with your tanks to create space and pressure the enemy front line. Positioning is key. Maintain optimal positioning to maximize your hook opportunities while staying safe from enemy fire. Disrupt enemy ultimates. Use hooks or whole hog to disrupt enemy ultimates like Reaper's Death Blossom or Pharah's Barrage. Flank smartly. Surprise enemies by flanking from unexpected angles to catch them off guard. Combo with Zarya. Coordinate hooks with Zarya's bubble to secure kills and change her graviton surge faster. Bait enemy abilities. Use take a breather to bait out enemy cooldowns or ultimates before committing to a fight. Learn map environments. Utilize map geometry and environmental hazards to your advantage when hooking enemies. Counter high mobility heroes. Practice hooking and dealing with high mobility heroes like Genji or Tracer effectively. Avoid wasting hooks. Be patient with your hooks. Wait for opportune moments rather than spamming them. And that's how to win more matches as Roadhog in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!